Hi everyone, this is Yashoda and people they know me as the Hati Madam, and today for the very first time I joined Chalo Rural Conclave 2025, and I am really feeling really privileged that I got this opportunity and I have learned so many things, not only about how to grow in your life but also how to grow, especially in villages, how we can do that branding and how we can grow all those things in our life. And I think it is not only for the influencers but also for the brand ambassador who wants to sell their brands, especially in rural area. And I think it would be great opportunity for the rural public as well.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel English with the Hati ma'am. Hope you are doing great. And friends, in today's video itself, I am going to tell you so many things, especially my experience with Chalo Rural Conclave 2025. It was my second time I joined an event and I was honored and I feel privileged that I got opportunity to join that event. So if you want to know about all those things, then please try to stick to this video till the very end, because not only I'm going to tell about my experience, but I also am going to share some clips of that event. And I hope you would like that video, and you will, at the end of this, you will definitely like this video and share this video.
मिस यशोदा लोधी, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इन। आप यहाँ पे आए, हमें बहुत खुशी हुई। आपकी इंग्लिश स्पेक्टेक्युलर है, हम भी आपसे आज सीख के जाएंगे। रवि सर, सुशांत, the stage is all yours. इंग्लिश की क्लास शुरू करें मैम? वेलकम वेलकम।
Good evening, everyone. Now, ask Yashoda ji, you know, uh, just say a few things, एक दो मिनट में अगर आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दें एंड आपने एक तो ये इंग्लिश की जर्नी कैसे शुरू की एकदम ब्रीफली एंड विच वाज योर फर्स्ट वीडियो सो ओवर टू यू एंड देन आई विल आस्क यू कि हाउ हैव यू बिल्ट अ कनेक्ट see that's important for us to understand as influencers how have you built connect with millions of people ये आपने कैसे हासिल किया तो पहले आप अपनी जर्नी के बारे में क्विकली एक बता करके आप बताइए आगे थोड़ा माइक ऊपर ले लीजिए तो आवाज आए हाँ
Yes, first of all, I would like to say thank you, sir, for this Chalo Rural Conclave and this great audience. And I'm feeling really very privileged to be here. And now I'm feeling really very happy to share my journey. Actually, the time when I started my YouTube journey, at that time I was totally unaware of everything. Even I was not knowing at that very time how to create an Gmail ID, how to create a Gmail ID. Then in 2022, I got the opportunity of having a smartphone, and then just from that moment, my life started changing. I started exploring on YouTube how to be independent, as well as how to be helping hand of my husband, because I went through all those bad situations. I suffered a lot. Even I suffered for a five rupee, because the time when my husband had that accident, at that time, it both of us we were totally broken. My father-in-law he borrowed money from others for the treatment, and then the treatment was going on, and then we were under like that loan, like type of loans we taken from the others, and because of that we were totally broken. My husband used to cry throughout the day, and I was there, just doing nothing but only seeing him that he's crying. That thing has inspired me that no, it's not time to sit here. It's time to do something for you, for your family.
wow guys this is really amazing what a beautiful moment what a beautiful moment thank you so much how a person can fight
Thank you.
against circumstances her husband met with an accident and फिर इन्होंने बागडोर हाथ में ली एंड इन्होंने खुद का चैनल शुरू किया एंड खुद की जर्नी एक क्रिएट की मैम बहुत बहुत कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स बधाई बहुत अमेजिंग वर्क थैंक यू प्लीज कैरी ऑन
And after that, I just kept moving on. I started exploring so many things. And I think because of this digital, because of this technology, I got this thing. If it hadn't been there, then I wouldn't have been able to be here in front of you. So this is the opportunity, and I grabbed that opportunity. In life, I believed only one thing, that life is all about giving you opportunity, but you should grab each and every opportunity. There are fears, there's no doubt. There are failures in our life, there's no doubt. But after getting failure, what is there that we should have in our personality? That we should just keep going, we should get more knowledge, we should get aware of about what are the weak points,
माइक थोड़ा नजदीक, हाँ
points,
हाँ
and then work on it. And life is all about getting failure and learning from those failure. So that time was like my failure time, but this is the time
नहीं
of
नहीं,
the
आपने
success.
बहुत सक्सेसफुल काम किया है, बहुत बढ़िया, बधाई हो आपको।
Very, very
लेट्स
inspirational.
वेरी इंस्पिरेशनल। सो लेट्स हियर कि आपकी शुरुआती दौर में आपने इनिशियली कौन से सक्सेसफुल वीडियोस बनाए और वो कस्टमर से कैसे जुड़े? आपको ये एक तो ये इंग्लिश वाली आइडिया कैसे आया? आप बचपन से इतनी इंग्लिश बोलते थे?
Actually, the first video which got viral, it has a very different story. At that time, my whole family members, we were in our fields and we were about to dig potatoes.
एक सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस बनाने के लिए, उस सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए जरूरत होती है 4 चीज की। अब वो 4 चीज
Then I said, okay, all of you, you do that work. I'm going to shoot a video, and after that, then I will come and join you.
Okay.
And then first I went, there is a very small hut type under a tree. I made that video, and in that video, currently there is 3 million subscribers. Sorry, 3 million views.
Views.
And my second viral video, there is 5 million plus views. So my first video I made, it has a different story, that because of digging potato, I got
That many views.
My video got viral.
Very nice. Today, how do you, make your content जो लोगों से जुड़े, हाउ डू यू वर्क ऑन दैट? आप भी मधुरा जी की तरह बहुत पहले से प्लानिंग करते हैं? आप कैसे करते हैं ये?
Actually, I think because of this language, especially this particular language, which is a worldwide spoken language, I always feel connected with each and every learner. Even I talk to them and I get to know about their problems which I was facing once, how to how to master this language, as well as how to grab each and every opportunity. The main which we always face in our life, that because of confidence, we always consider that I'm not the best. I don't have enough knowledge. And I would say here that it doesn't matter how much knowledge you will get. You will always think that you don't have sufficient knowledge. So
Wow.
I also shared my problems with them, and then I found the possible uh, results for those problems, for a possible solution, and I worked on it. And not only I, but thing which has worked for me, I also told them. So
Wow.
it's kind of a totally, I can resonate with each and everyone.
Wow, amazing.
I have a very authentic audience and genuine audience. They always love
Because
me.
you are authentic, at the heart, you believe in empowerment, you believe कि हाँ मैं खुद से कुछ कर सकती हूँ, and फिर आपने उसी को पकड़ करके आगे लिया. So as an influencer, guys, one thing for us to see, she is not just known because of her ability to speak English. She is somebody who's made an impact first in her life and who has the ability to influence and inspire others, especially women, कि आप अपनी जिंदगी की बागडोर अपने हाथ में कैसे ले सकते हो. And that is the inspiration. So it is not English. शायद, some of us here can speak as well as she can, but how many of us are going to be able to inspire the way she is inspiring? So that is her superpower. So congratulations. Thank you very much.
I think, sir, one thing you have noticed, everyone has noticed maybe. Sir ने उनको हिंदी में questions पूछे हैं, but she answered all of them in English. So that is
मेरी
incredible.
इंग्लिश थोड़ी कमजोर है, तो मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ. लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के, एंड आई एम रियली इंस्पायर्ड, कि आपने, एंड सी, ट्रेडिशनली इंडिया में देयर हैज बीन अ सिचुएशन वेयर women have not gotten as many opportunities, एंड वो आज भी थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट ही है, टियर 2 3, एंड जितना हम दूर दराज में जाते हैं वो है. तो शी हैज बीन एबल टू क्रिएट दिस अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी. नाउ आई विल फ्लिप दिस and let's look at it from the lens of a marketeer. Here is an inspirational lady. Okay, and whether you're selling, if Priya's selling insurance, or whether somebody's selling masale, or whether somebody's selling Amul, or somebody's selling something else, don't you want women audiences, especially those who are inspired to connect with you? If you really want them, then she's your brand ambassador. So guys, that's the power of an influencer. हम तो मार्केटिंग की तरफ से सोचते रहते हैं ना हर बार, तो हम इन्फ्लुएंसर एक काम करते हैं, एक इन्फ्लुएंसर का प्लान बनाओ, उसमें इतने इन्फ्लुएंसर लो. टुडे यू आर गेटिंग टू गो ऑन द अदर साइड एंड सी द इन्फ्लुएंसर्स जर्नी एंड सी व्हाई दे आर एबल टू कनेक्ट एंड सी व्हाई दे आर एबल टू क्रिएट दैट इम्पैक्ट. अंडरस्टूड.
Everything has different.
So there are statistics that are available, whether where are the audiences coming from for any influencer, rural से कितने, urban से कितने,
Yes.
कौन से state से कितने. So you should analyze that information. And second, आपका जो भी product है, जो भी brand है, it should help their audiences. अगर उनको help होगा किसी भी तरीके से, तो वो brand से जुड़ेंगे and आपका brand आगे बढ़ेगा. So thank you very much. Really appreciate. So a big round of applause to both of these amazing women here. Thank you so much.
For these very very inspiring women, and I hope कि आपका काम आगे अच्छा चले, but also आप और ladies को inspire करें. कोई बुनाई में, कोई stitching में, कोई crochet में. I wish more and more women from interiors of India come forward, because I think this land is full of talent. Yes, so congratulations. Thank you for being here and sharing your stories. Keep shining, keep rocking. May I please invite Mr. Ramesh B. Shiragupi to please give them a token of our appreciation. Mr. Ramesh on the stage, please. From Sakata. Ramesh sir, will you please? All right, soon after this, may I please request the tech team to play the Ek First Ande Ka Fanda video. Ladies and gentlemen, we are coming to the close of this evening. If you will just give us a couple of minutes. We are just going to have a quick awards ceremony
हम
after
सबने
the
देखा है,
Anda song.
कई बार देखा है.
Ek First
पर
is
क्या
known
करें?
for this song, so kindly pay attention. Just a minute, Roshan. 1 minute के बाद. Thank you very much. Cheers. A big round of applause once again for these wonderful women. Fantastic. Absolutely rocking. What amazing stories. God bless you. आप अपने जैसे और बनाएं. आप अपने जैसे और duplicates बनाएं. Looking forward to lots of great stories from more and more women of the interiors of India.